Welcome boys. In this video we're going to be doing the main drive belt and AC belt replacement on this beast. So I already got her up on the ground here, up off the ground rather, and that's because to access the AC belt we have to do it from under the car, but we have to take the drive belt off first. So first things first, we're going to use our little tools here to pull this fan off. There's two tools in here, they're very flat. One's going to hold the water pump in place by gripping onto those little bolt heads. As soon as I can figure out where the hell the damn camera... There we go. There. And then the other one's going to grab that big nut right in front of them. And then we're going to rotate the fan clockwise because it's reverse threaded. And then it's going to pull the fan off. And then we can have better access to our main drive belt. Okay, with the fan off, can't really see it so well from up here, but that next pulley down's our tensioner pulley. Let's see, can you see it better from here? Yeah, that one up there. So you need to pop that cover off, and then it'll gain access to the little deal so we can move this thing. And then here's our AC tensioner right there. AC belt, as you can see, is behind the main serpentine belt, so we just got to pop that off, and then we can get in there, get the other belt off, and then we'll rotate all the pulleys and make sure we don't have any bearings going out on an either pulley or the tensioner pulley, and if we do, we'll go ahead and replace them, and if not, we'll put it back together, and this will be a quick and easy repair. Okay, so here's what you do. There's actually two I guess they're bolts. Yeah, they're bolts. 13 millimeter. I'm assuming you can see in here. One right here and one above it. When you loosen these dudes, you don't have to pull them out, just loosen them. The tension on the belt, this thing is going to slam, I guess, up. Loosen the tension on it. And then off comes our main drive belt. So at this point we can just kind of finagle it out of there. And the belt routing is pretty explanatory on this. But this one's actually fine. We are replacing it anyway just because we have it off, but this will be used as a spare. Keep it in the trunk just in case. But now that we're this far, water pump doesn't seem to have any excessive problems with it. This is, I doubt I'll be able to, oh no, the air conditioning belt's still on it, so I can't spin the AC compressor, but, oof. Yeah, that needs replaced. So we need a new tensioner pulley. That is Roche, my friends. Alternator's fine. The idler's still fine, but I believe that comes as one piece, so. Alright, not a big deal. And then this is what, power steering, I think. But, yeah, that needs replaced. Alright, not a big deal. The good news is, assuming we don't have to do the tensioner on the AC, i.e. replace it anyway, we can do that now, then we won't have to do it later. So we'll go underneath for that. Alright, I'm assuming you guys can see here as well. Alright, so our AC belt's back behind here. We need to I was going to say reduce, but yeah, reduce will work. Reduce the tension. So this is going to slide up in here once we loosen some of this. So we'll loosen this first with our 10. Alrighty. Actually, I might even have to loosen that now. Let's see, can I get that AC belt off? Let me move you guys so I can get some room under here. Yep. Alright, so that just moves. It should be tighter than that, but alright. Come on, you got it. Yeah, this one's roached. Let's see. No, this one's still good. Well, I mean, it's not making any noise, but it spins a little too freely, if I'm honest. AC is not making any noise. You know what? I might as well just replace it when I replace the other one, just for good measure. Okay, well, we'll button it up for now. This will just be a video on how to do the drive belts, but I'll do another one on how to replace the tensioners as well, I guess, since they're kind of roached. We're all honest here. Okay, so we snake this back on. It goes on, you know, same way it was. That should go without saying. So we got the new AC belt on, but now we got to get the tension back on it. So if you remember, and I apologize for the view, maybe kind of cockeyed here, but I need to be over here, and I have a jack in the way, so my bad. Remember, this was a 10, this was a 13, and this big, huge beast back here is a 17. So what we have to do is grab this with a 17, and we're going to leverage it so that this will slide back to where it was, and then we torque that down with the 10. And I apologize, the audio quality all of a sudden took a crap because my mouth is right next to the microphone here. Okay. So let me see if I can do this by myself. So I'm going to need Lionel. I might need Katie here for a minute. Yeah, I might need her. Stand by. Yes, I know it's a little inconvenient, but what are you going to do? So I'm going to go as hard as I can, and then you just torque it down. Alright, that's it.
You can still go more.
Well, how more? Stop. It's only a 10 millimeter. That's the thing when I don't know about you people. I can still go more. You mean until you snap the bolt head off? Don't go that tight. Okay, that's it. That's all I needed you for. Okay, and then now with that back to where it was, maximum tension, we now tighten our 13 back, which was for some reason really loose on my car, but we're going to go back to tight. Not super tight. And I'm hoping she didn't go too tight on this 10. She's a woman, so she's probably not that strong, but hopefully this will be the one time she gave it everything she had, and then my shit breaks. Okay, now we'll reroute the main belt. We'll put that back on, and I guess we can go up to the top. Okay, I'm assuming you guys can kind of see. But in any case, the two 13 mils here and here that hold that tensioner on. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use Katie to assist me here. She's going to torque down the two 13s on.
No.
I don't know what that means. Okay, So now I'm going to press as hard as I can on this, and then you're going to tighten.
On that same one?
Yes, please. You really should do the other one first. Do the other one first.
As tight as it goes.
Okay, and now do the other one. Alright, take it off. Alright, let's see if I can finagle this 17 off of here now. Alright, check the belt deflection. Yep, let's see what we got. Everything looks okay. Alright, everything looks good. I guess that noise is that pulley, actually, so that will need to be replaced. And I can actually see it wobbling a little. Alright, shut her down. Alright, well, that's successfully how we replace our idler, well, I mean our drive belts, actually, the main drive belt and the AC belt. We're going to do a separate video on the tensioner, I guess, since we have discovered it is bad. Oh, and one thing Katie wanted to mention is, because I call this thing a pry tool, she says it's actually a tack tool that I use to actually pry these things off. So I call it a pry tool. She says it's actually called a tack tool if you're looking for it. So go to Walmart, whatever, call it a tack. Look for a tack tool. I guess it's for pulling tacks. Whatever, I use it for prying things, but, you know, tomato, whatever. So, alright. Catch you in the next video on the e38. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.